Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, I'm going to share with you how easy it is to save a web page as a PDF document. This is very easy to do. So let's head over to my computer screen so that I can show you step by step how to do this. Let's go. Alright guys, now on my screen here you can see that I have this website open, I Love PDF. And this is the website that you'll need to convert HTML or your web page into PDF. Now I will put this link of this website in the description of this video, or you can simply go to ilovepdf.com. Now if you scroll on here, you can immediately see that there is a HTML to PDF option, right? And you can also find it under the All Tools option from the menu bar, right? You can easily find it within it right here on the menu bar. So let me go ahead and click that. Now this is where you'll add your HTML. Now I've gone ahead and find just a simple website with a blog article that, let's say, I would like to copy, right, or convert into a PDF document. So let me copy this, and here you see that this document, okay, it says that 5 mistakes to avoid when buying new tires, right? So let's say I want this article into a PDF document. Then I have it copied. Then I'm going to go back here and click Add HTML. Then I'm going to put in that HTML link, click Add, and this will generate the preview. Now, right on this right hand side, you can see that you can do various things, right? You can change the HTML file, you can do a refresh, you can play around with the sizing if you want of the screen. You can play around with the page sizing if you wish to. You can do you can choose if you want portrait or landscape. You can play around with the page margin. You can do multiple things with this, right? But for the sake of this tutorial, I will leave it as it is, and I will do convert to PDF. Now this will take a moment, very short time, to convert this HTML into PDF, and the automatic download will be started within a moment. And there you have it, guys. The document is now downloaded into a PDF. Now let me go ahead and open that so that you can see it. Here you can see that the document, the web page, is now in the PDF format of the entire blog. And as I said, you can play around with the sizing of this before you go ahead and download it. So that's very easy to do, and that will allow you to make the document, let's say, a little bit more wider on the page, and you can adjust how you want this output to be. But that's how easy it is, guys. And there you have it, guys. Very easy, very simple, and how you can convert any HTML web page into a PDF document. Now if you find this helpful, go ahead, give this video a thumbs up, let me know in the comments below. And if you're new to the channel, a special welcome to Joe Tutorials, and I would appreciate if you subscribe to the channel to see much more videos coming out every week just like this one. See you next time.